Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 2 Module 3 Lesson 16 homework. So let's get started. Number 1. Draw the following numbers using place value discs on the place value charts. Answer the questions below. Alright, so again, like I always say, one of the most important things when doing a math problem is understanding the problem itself. So let's review what we're doing here today. So if you see these numbers below, we are going to use some place value discs to place them into place value charts. So place value charts are basically charts that split up a number into the hundreds and the tens and the ones. So let's see, 241, so let's break it up. So first, let's start with hundreds. So in the hundreds place over here, we have a 2, which means 241 has two hundreds. So let's put 2 100s right here. So we have 2 100s. And then now over here, if we move on to the tens place, we see 4, which means this number has 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the ones place has 1 1. So we're just gonna do a disc with 1. So we have 241. And now 412, 400, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is because in the hundreds place there's 4, which means there's 4 hundreds. And in the tens place we have 110, so the 1. And in the ones place we have 2 ones. So now we have 412. And see, 124. Let's see, 100 in the hundreds place, and 2 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 124. Now it says order the numbers from least to greatest. So how do we know which one's the greatest, and how do we know which one's the smallest or the least? So what I do is first look at the hundreds place, the big place. So hundreds place would be the ones on the very left right now. So we have 1, 4, and 2. We know 4 is the bigger number out of 1 and 2, which means 412 is the greatest. But if you read it closely, we're ordering the numbers from least to greatest. So in this case, if it's the least, then 1 would be the least out of 4 and 2. So our smallest number here is 124. And next, we have a battle between 241 and 412. Let's look at the hundreds place first. So 4 and 2, 2 is smaller, so that means 241, and then 412. Number 2, circle less than or greater than. Whisper the complete sentence. All right, so A, we have 112 is less than or greater than 135. So let's look at the hundreds place. That's 1. Okay, so if the hundreds place are all the same, we can move on to the next place, which is the tens. Now we have 1 and 3. So 3 is bigger than 1, which means 135 is bigger than 112. So that means 112 is less than 135. B, 152. Let's see. Hundreds place is the same, tens place is the same, and ones place is 2 and 7. And 7 is bigger, which means 152 is less than 157. And C, 214, 204. So our hundreds place is the same, but our tens place we have 1 and 0, which means 214 is greater than 204. In D, we have 475 and 457. So our 4 in the hundreds place is the same, and our tens place we have a 5 and a 7. So 7 is greater, which means 475 is greater than 457. In E, 300 plus 60 plus 5, so that's 365. 300, 6 tens, 5 ones. And now we have 635. So if we look at the hundreds place right away, this is a 6 and that's a 3, which means 365 is less than 635. In F, we have 4 tens and 2 ones, that's 42. and then we have 24. So if we look at the tens place, 4 is bigger, so that means 4 tens and 2 ones is greater than 24. Alright, number 3, write, okay, we're gonna write like greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. So 199, well this one we should all know, 100 is greater. And 316, 361. So 3, and then the next place we have 1 and 6, so this is bigger. And then we have 523, 525. So we have 100, 5 and 5 are the same, 2 and 2 are the same, but 3 and 5 is bigger, so 5 rolls. And now we have 602, and here we also have 602, so they are equal. And 150, or 90 plus 5, 50. 90 plus 50. So we know 9 plus 5 is 14, and which has 0, so that means 90 plus 50 is 140. And 150 is greater than that. Now we have 9, 10, 6 ones, that's 96, sorry. So 96, 6 is greater than 2, so 96 wins. And 6 tens, 8 ones, that's 68. And 50 plus 18, out of 10 here, that's 6. 8 plus 0 is 8, so that's also 68, so these are equal. Now we have 84 minus 10, so minus a 10 from the place value, that's 74. And 7 tens, 5 ones, and 70 is 75, and 75 is greater. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!